welcome to HaXeZ, and we're back on HaXeZ site, but this time we are looking at the extended basic missions. So you have the basic missions and then you have the extended basic missions. I didn't realise that's what they were, but they are the follow-on from the basic series, and they are sort of programming challenges in a sense that test out your understanding of programming. And they're a lot of fun from what I've seen. So I've just completed over and over, and I'm going to walk you through it now. So if we head to the mission, what we should see is a little message at the top that says we have a C program which will calculate the length of a given string, and we are challenged with crashing it, and then it provides the function. And you see there we've got a character input box. So if we just type in A, doesn't really come back with much, but we can see here it's got like a standard sort of function going on, but there is a value of 200. I'm not going to pretend to know C at all. It was a bit before my time, you know, it's like C++, C#, and Python when I was going through education, so a lot of this doesn't make sense, but it looks like a standard statement that's calculating the length of the string that you're inputting. And then it sets a limit on the string of 200. So in order to break this, what we need to do is we need to submit more than 200 characters to the input box. And the reason why that works is because if you set a character limit on something, you are essentially saying to allocate that amount of memory required for this application. And if you submit more than 200 characters, you're exceeding the memory buffer available for the application, and when that happens it causes a buffer overflow, and that's essentially when the available memory is exceeded by the data being processed or by the data being submitted to it. Usually this will result in a crash, however in certain cases it can result in remote code execution, as we've seen in a lot of instances with vulnerabilities. So in order to submit this challenge, all we need to do is submit a string of more than 200 characters. And this is quite easy in the terminal. What you can do is you can run the following command: printf the letter that you want to print in single quotation marks, %0s, open squiggly brackets, can't remember what they're called, 1, and I'm saying, so I want to print 1 to 250 characters. If I hit return, it should print out 250 A's, and I can just copy that, head over to the checkbox, paste it in and click check, and there you go, you get the option to go on to the next challenge. So that's how you complete the basic or the extended basic mission number 1. What can be learned from this exercise? Well, it's going to be more for a programmer to answer, to be honest. I'm trying to improve my programming skills, but yeah, there's going to be some sort of validation on character length, I suppose. I'm sure modern programming languages don't fall as victim to this. There's probably safeguards in place that prevent it, but yeah, that's it. That's all from me. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you solve the challenge. I assume that's why you're here. If it did, you can give me a thumbs up and maybe like and subscribe it, and yeah, kind regards.